Okay, this is video number 2. Pretty much the same video as number 1, but this is going to be shot with a better camera. So here we got our stirring up fuel, running our boiler.
He filed it, had to check, they say 7 to 8 days.
It's boiling a little bit. Our steam whistle. They don't run enough pressure to really use that. Not in these early testing phases. Here's our controller, our oiler, our motor, our flywheel, to the pulley, to the wILESCO countershaft, to this silly tin wind-up toy that we've custom fabricated with an old erector set 3-inch pulley. Alright, so let's try to fire her up again. We're going to open her up, give her a little hand turn here. Now she's running. Like I said, this is just a second video of just a simple running video with a better camera than the first video. And that was it. She ran for a little while. I'm going to shut her down. Just another video, just better